elevations, but rain at Lake Tahoe. But the low cloud.
She's a professor at USC and lives in
Individuals who keep.
Already been able to feed hundreds of families and homes.
Yeah.
I agree, and I was also reflecting about what it means to be part.
Suppose he was very upset. Was her name Sarah Bell? He didn't say. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a patient.
I'm just noticing Palm Beach real estate business must be good, especially in this economy. I just thought that pricey therapist would be something that people were cutting back on. Like, I don't know, white truffles.
Well, there's.